So I'm making breakfast for the first time in the RV. I'm gonna put on some hot tea. And Dale likes turkey bacon. So I'm gonna make some turkey bacon for her.
You might have to take the onion back up. Unfortunately, stuff is good. Drop it to
We're gonna do bread coming up.
a cup and a half. A little more. That's good.
Cup and a half of bread. Oh, you push it in.
Oh, you can leave it high until the water starts boiling. Then you turn it down low.
But yeah, I hear you. Alright. I make my
How do you tell yourself?
Or
Just
go out.
Get the pan right here. And just turn that on.
Oh, okay.
How do you tighten this up?
You gotta push this button. Spread them way out. sure.
Put 3.
How many did you put
I
in?
haven't put that. I'm trying to get around it.
Okay, I'll put that. Where's the grease?
Right there.
Round it.
Then put 2 more. You gotta put 2 more.
5.
Yeah, you gotta do 5. 3 is 1. Let's stir it up real quick. Oh, what a top.
I had them packed. Bring them.
Top.
Okay, yep. Now, how are you going to do the waffles?
The oven, right? When you say it, come on. So it's just a microwave.
Put these in the convection oven.
Oh, the refrigerator ain't shit. That's what it is. The other side.
Why is that even open?
Because I went over that side.
Don't open it on that side.
You can open on either side.
I know, but if it's not shut, it'll fall. Like, I'm just... Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. No. You saying you just want to be on one side.
Yeah.
That's fine. I got what you're saying.
I got on 30 minutes. I'm going to take it off coffee. Eric likes coffee with his breakfast. I guess that was 30 seconds.
I can have my blanket on.
Sure. I was taking a picture. You can go get it.
Taking it away. Yeah, we're getting cold, guys. I like that you took that air a little too far.
I'm vlogging, Gail. Shut your mouth.
Getting super.
Is it already on? Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta get my my blue thing. Oh, you gotta take this off.
How many?
Strong.
8 or what?
Strong. 10.
And let it brew and fall into the cup.
light blinking with your battery being used up.
This will be the last one charge.
Hurry up. Man. Push my bad. I used to put my battery in there. Oh, let me get that.
I'm gonna use that for my TT. That's breakfast just like at home, huh?
Yep.
Oh, did we stop it?
You
Got it. Earl Grey tea. Nuts and tea, my favorite snack.
I don't think a lot. Oh, shit.
All right, set up outside. Okay, we gotta bring that on in.
Let's go ahead and